So this is the simple form we did from the last class. Okay, we gave it focus. Okay, if you focus on the fields, it gives you something like that. Okay. Okay. Then these ones we can even style them, but we leave it like that. Okay. We can decide to remove this one. So what can we do now? We want to do new one. We want to do new one. Okay. So I'll close some of these things. Okay. So this is the codes that we did. The form control, I added border radius there. Let me see if I can put it in the input itself. Save now. Save. Refresh the browser. Okay. It's applying. It's applying to the fields. But the form control, we have to remove. We have given it border of none. We can give it a border. Oh, we can see. You can give the border the same color. Okay. You can give border maybe 1 pixel. Solid, the same color of the background so that we will not see it. Okay. Same color of the form background. Okay, say light blue. Okay. So I think we can leave this and start new one. We want to start very nice form. Okay. This one is going to be very, very good and very attractive. So if you look at so we will just start the file now, form.css, form.html. And once I have this, I can decide to open new one. Okay, I want to close all this. Then we create new file, okay, and start our form. Or maybe we'll just copy from the previous one. So just right click on this new file, you say form 2.html. Okay. Second form, okay. HTML. Then I will do the CSS here. I will say form 2.css. Form 2.css. I press enter. So you see, what kind of form do we want to do? We want to do a form. We want to design. We designed a form. We designed contact form, right? This time around, we can also design different form like maybe registration. Okay. So we will start with the page here. We can open this form, copy and paste, Control A, copy, and form 2, we paste there and edit. So what we will do here is the form styling 2. Then this place, you save now. We will check to see what to add. And this time around, we want to add some label to it. So here, the form is here. You can say form. Inside here, we'll give the label. Label. I hope you know label. Label for the name. So the for will be the name, right? Then we give the name there. Okay, we say full name of the person. Full name of the person. Then apart from that, here also we come and do that. See, label for the email. Then we say, okay, email, right? Can you see that? Then here, okay, again, we'll say um, label. Can you see that? So here, when I call the label for the phone also. So here we say label for phone, the name of the phone. So we say, okay, telephone. So the person can enter his or her telephone there. What again can we add? We can add some text, maybe some inquiry. You can ask the person some kind of inquiry to know what he or she wants. Okay. So this, if I save this one, then we have to open it and see how it's going to be. See how it's going to be. So from 2.html without the styling, we have to remove the styling. Okay. Okay, we will see. We're going to remove these styles and link into its new one. So instead of um, form.css, I should make it form2.css. So inside the form, we can go to form.css and copy some simple ones and paste there. Okay. Yeah, this, I'll just copy this and copy and paste here. Only those things that we need for now. So when I refresh, the styling will go. Okay, no styling again now. So now we have to start styling the form itself. Okay, so we give the form style and see. We will give it some styling, maybe like we call the form itself and see form. Okay, we give it maybe we can give it a background color. Background color, maybe some RGB values. Okay, save. Now get it. Okay, this is not good color. Say maybe F9, F4, F6. Okay, this is a nice one. So we can give it maximum width, max width. Max width is I told you like it's the maximum that phone can be. We can specify no matter how you stretch the background, you want it to remain the same. So I'll give it 500 pixels. Okay. When I save now, you see what I mean here. See the maximum width. Then we can give it the margin to put it in the to give it. I want to center it. I can see margin of 20 pixels. This will center the phone. Now, why will the phone be centered? Because we are giving the margin top 20 down 20, but this one auto. So since we have given it maximum. We have given it a maximum width. The rest of the width, the entire width of the page will be distributed, divided equally, and shared with the margin left and margin right. So if I refresh, you see that the form is now in the center. Then we can give it a padding. Can give it some padding. Give it some padding. Say padding. The padding you can give more values. Say 20 pixels for the top, 12 pixels for the left, then 10 pixels. Okay, for the right, for the bottom, and also is TBLR. Okay, TBLR. Top, bottom, left, right. Okay, then I gave 20 pixels. So you see what I get here. There's going to be some padding there. Let's see if I have not made a mistake. Sorry, it should be 20 pixels, not XP. So when I save the refresh, okay, now it's looking cool. We can decide to give more. It's all your discretion. Whatever you want, you get it. Okay, it's all your discretion. Whatever you get, you want. Whatever you want, you get it. Then we can give it some fonts. Okay, font style or font like this. Okay, font style. Can give it some font style. Font style of you can say or font family. Font size of maybe 13 pixels. Font family. You know the font family. The font family, it can be more than one. We can say Arial. You can give Tahoma, Helvetica, Sans Serif. So you can specify more than one. If you specify more than one, then you can. What it means here is that if this font is not found on the user's browser, it chooses this. It goes to Helvetica. If that one also is not there, it goes to Sans Serif. It's highly impossible for all the three not to be there. So let's see what we get here now. See now, it has reduced the font. But if you want, we can give more. Then we can give them the, if you look at the label, we can give it name, okay? Or we can call them and give them name also. We can give them also. Okay, let's get to, I want to close these ones. I have already finished what I want from them. So let's see here. I can put this inside. I can just copy this one and paste it there. So that it will be inside. And we will see what I mean. Okay. And then I will go to the form styling and give it the color. The text should be some kind of black or something like that. Okay, 0. Okay, 0, 0. 0, 0. Save now. See that. Okay, this is cool. And we can give it margin. Not margin top. It should be margin. Margin of 15 pixels. Save now. So we are constructing the form little by little. You see that. So now we have to bring we can call the labels, install them. If not the labels, also we can call the labels. style them, give them some style. See, form logo. We give them style. We'll leave it like this. We'll call the form control. We want to call them form control class dot. You can say display block. Okay. So let's see what we are going to get here. Form control. Let's see if we have the form control class display block. Then I can call each of these. Paste. I will call the input. I want to make it. I want to specify the tab. Input tab is equal to text. Okay. Not only this. I will just do comma. I will copy again. Paste it. So instead of text, I will say email. I'll paste again. Instead of let's see, we have for email, we have for phone. Okay, the phone is text. Okay, the phone is text. No problem. Email, text. Okay, I will leave this one. We want to display them block as well. Okay, that's so they are also display like that. So we can give them some. Sorry, we will give them. We separate them. We give them padding of 15 pixels. See, if it's too big, we can reduce. This is too big. Maybe we'll make it 8 pixels or 9 pixels. This is looking cool. 9 is too much. So if you like, we can also decide to put them in the field set and call a field set and style them. We can give them width 100%, okay? Width of 100%. Let's check that. Okay, this is cool. If you like, we can add more. We can reduce it. If you want, we can reduce. Reduce it. Sure depends on. We can also try to give them some outline or border. Okay, so give a border of 1 pixel, solid, light, gray. Let's watch and see. This is cool. So can give them margin. Margin of 10 pixels or 7 pixels. And the top 7, maybe 5 pixels. And this one should be 20 pixels. You just arrange. This is not what we want. Okay. So if I refresh, it's going overboard. Then this border box. Box size. Um, let's reduce this to 90%. This click, okay. So now we will go to the label. The label will give it a font size of 14 pixels, right? To be bigger than how this is. Of 16 is okay. I'll remove 16 pixels. Then I can give it margin of give margin left of 20 pixels. Let's see to match this parts. Okay. So gradually we are styling the form, and because we have the label, so we need to remove this placeholder. We don't need it again. We remove the placeholder. Okay. Else it will be like tautology to be double. So we remove this one. Same now. Okay. So now let's take the text area also and style it. You can take this text area and style it. You can give it background. Sorry, I'll call the text area and I'll give it margin top, margin left. Sorry. I'll first of all give it width of 100% or 90%. Then same styling for this margin. This I'll copy and paste. Let's see what we will get here. Then we can give it height, or maximum height of maybe 120 pixels. This is cool, we leave it. Less we can add more. This is cool. So you see we are styling with the label. The label, if you want, we can give them color similar to the color that we have above. So one thing that we can also add, since it's going to be registration, I am going to add something here. It's going to be another div element. It's going to be another div form control, okay? Form control. Sorry, I'll just put this here. Then I will use the select. You know the select, okay? Select. Tell me maybe country. Don't make it country. So option. Option gave you the value, the country. Select. I'll give this one select your country. I just miss it. I will say country. The first one should be like that, so that no country will be selected. So here, option. Then I'll copy and paste it maybe many times. So first one I have is Ghana. Second I have is UK. I have America, USA. I have the countries. We can choose any country you want to choose. This is not in order, just stay there, okay? So look at what we're going to get. We have this. So we are going to style that one also. You can call the select this font control. We'll give it margin left of the same 20 pixels. Let's see. Okay. And then you can give it to be 20 pixels. Sorry, 20 pixels. I want to give it 10 pixels, 20 pixels, so that the top and down will be separated. Let's see if I made mistake. 20 pixels. Sorry, I should be margin, not margin left. Which margin left is going to, okay, this is cool. But we can go ahead and start, we can style that one. So we can give it padding. Padding, the same padding we have here. Padding of maybe 10 pixels or 7 pixels. So watch what we're gonna get. This is okay. The options, we can also call the options.
Yes, sir.
We can call the option and also give them padding of 15 pixels to open them up like this. Yes. Okay, so I think we are left with less than 5 minutes. This is the skeleton. Next class we will add more. Okay, we are going to add more to this. We are going to add more to this. Okay, we can give it this is the select. We can give it background color of gray. Color of gray, light gray. Notes. Then maybe the form itself, we can change the background color to white. Background color to white, actual. We want the white, pure white. See, okay. Then we can add box shadow to these form controls to give box shadow, maybe 5 pixels, 3 pixels, 7 pixels, 2 pixels, RGBA.
Their period finish.
Yeah, we have less than 3 minutes. We'll finish now.
No, sir. Physics start 11:40.
Yes, okay, 1 minute. I'll finish this one. 0.23. Save now. Okay, so this is looking some kind of cool. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll add more. Okay, and thanks for your time. We'll meet tomorrow, inshallah, to style the form better. Assalamu alaikum.